How to request a refund in Shipt. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a clear step-by-step tutorial script for requesting a refund in Shipt that should work out great, so you can follow out this method for that. So we can open up the Shipt application or open up the website, and within there we can look out for orders. So for our orders, we can look out for the orders option here and click on it, or sometimes in the menu also we can view it up and basically check out the option for orders within the menu as well. And the orders page opens up. We can go to orders from here and go ahead and view your orders in this section. Now from here we can select out our delivered order, and there we can look out for an option called to report a problem. So you can just go over and look out for that option, which should be something like this. You'll be finding something similar form. So we need to pick up the issue type. So if your issue type is, for example, contact reason, you can just go over and select it. If you are a shopper, you can select shopper and your contact reason. For your order, if it's for order, and such as, missing item, wrong item, damaged item, poor quality, expired, etc., you can just go over and choose that option and choose the item that you want to refund for. If there's a box like this, you can explain your issue, what the issue is with your product. After that, you can just go over and confirm and submit it up. Click on submit and confirm it up, and Shipt will review it and process the refund or the credits. Refunds are usually given as a Shipt credit, sometimes back to your cart. You can submit the issue as soon as possible after the delivery. Only the affected items will be refunded, not the whole order. You can just go over and provide them with the necessary information, and also keep the photos for damaged items, which are very handy. Sometimes the applications ask for it, so you can just go over and follow out this method, and you should be able to request a refund in Shipt. And that's it, everybody. You may follow this method for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.